the Oakland Nature Preserve, which is kind of a nice treat we stumbled upon. We're gonna check it out and bring you guys along and see what we can learn. Totally counts as homeschool. Wow. We're gonna go explore. We're gonna go in the museum as soon as Daddy catches up with us. He had a work phone call that he had to take. It is like the biggest bullfrog I've ever seen in my life. The reflection's not helping. This is pretty cool, huh? Come on, Sam, let's go explore.
Look at the turtles.
Oh, there's turtles.
It's under the bridge. And the one over is over here. Look under the bridge.
Oh, wow.
He's so cute. And there's one over there. See his head? Look at the
3-striped mud turtle. Oh, I see his little head. It's hard to see with the... So yeah, quite a bit to explore.
Did you show them the frogs?
There's a garden. I don't know what's in the box. We're gonna go see.
Oh, there's a squirrel.
There's an outhouse.
And there's a squirrel.
There's your bathroom.
Mom, look, there's a squirrel.
Nice. Oh, look at the
Hello, Mr. Squirrel.
look at the canoe.
Whoa. Mom, video Mr. Squirrel.
Here's Mr. Squirrel.
Hello.
Fat and happy.
Hey guys, can someone slide down here?
Do what?
Can someone slide down here?
You can go down there.
What about our water bottles?
We're not
Hey,
leaving.
Hannah, you want to slide down there?
Oh, you can't slide down the banister. That'll get a splinter in your butt. Mm-hmm.
What were you trying to tell me?
Oh, it's possums and quail.
There's a big board.
How cute! Hello.
We're here.
Look at this.
I am with a brand new opossum. So I'm just getting her used to being held and kind of being around people. So her name is Buttercup,
I want one.
and she's about 7 months old.
She's big for 7 months.
It's decent size.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's so cute. Do you think she's cute?
She's
Yes.
adorable.
Do you know what they eat?
What?
What do they eat?
Everything.
Mm-hmm.
They
Including
eat
insects,
They eat ticks.
ticks, leaves, fruit,
That is so
mice, eggs, everything.
Isn't that, yeah, they eat eggs. That's why. They eat eggs. That's why we don't like them near the chickens, right?
You guys have chickens?
We did.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, but we used to.
Yeah, I waited.
Look, she's sleeping.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's all relaxed.
She's adorable.
And then
Is she the only one, or is there
I've
another
got
one?
another one on that side. She's
Scoot over.
actually right down here in the
Oh, I
corner.
see her fur. Baby.
That one's name is Blossom, and she's about 2 years old.
Awesome. That's on Wolf of Men.
That's from Ruff Ruffman. Okay. Look at the turtle. This is so cute, guys. Scoot over.
Yeah,
There's a turtle in the water too. Do you see the quail over there? You don't see those quail right there?
I love quail.
Well, you love to eat them.
No, they're disgusting.
Okay, let's go in the museum. Get a picture of your butt.
They bit you.
No, Hannah.
Hey, I am videoing you, monkey heads.
Spiders. Hannah would be terrified if that was in her room.
There's a snake.
Oh, snake. Is it venomous?
Stick your hand in there and see.
It's a water moccasin.
It is not.
It says it
It's a
is.
banded water snake, not moccasin.
Does that literally say?
Where's the tree frog, Rachel?
Where?
It says water moccasin.
It's showing you.
Water snake.
It's showing you the difference.
Gotta go get this alligator. Daddy.
Oh, look at this cute guy, guys.
There's an alligator in here. What's in
Look at that. Raccoon.
What's in there, Mom?
Bobcat.
Look at the ball.
There's a toad right there. See his little eyes?
Oh, Mom, Hannah, look at the toad. Right there.
And the spider? No, thank you. I don't want to find that.
Dad, look at the toad. Wait, let's see Dad find it.
Very cool.
This guy.
Samuel, look at this. You want to look at that? Look at you can look at that bugs closer.
Oh, can I?
Yeah, you can look that. I'll hold your. Look at it closer. You can look at the snake skin under the microscope, Samuel. Look. Look at the snake skin under the microscope. Give me that one. You can put it in your mouth.
No.
Look at this. Look at this snake skin.
Whoa.
See it? Look at this. You can touch that one. Look at that. Look under here. Look at the big one. Look at the snake.
Whoa.
Look right here.
Whoa.
That's cool. Just be cautious with it. Guys, look. These are pictures of the trail cams of what's been seen here. Coyote.
Okay.
That's cool.
Look at the scorpion. Where? He's crawling on.
Right there in the middle. It's
Oh.
crawling.
Oh, cool.
They're poisonous, aren't they?
That's cool.
Look it. I got something. Dad, aren't scorpions poisonous? You read this. You're gonna read this. Dad, look at this.
Say hello.
Hello.
Here's my friend the bear. Ooh, look at this guy.
Ooh. Snake.
Yellow
rat
He's a yellow
snake.
rat snake.
Oh yeah, they bite. They don't hurt. I mean, they hurt, but they're not venomous. My dad got one out a little bit bigger than that one time out of a foot of the park.
It's supposed to be a snake, but I can't find it. I think he's in the box. Mom, the picture of the lizard. There's a picture of the lizard and his tail's blue. There. Look. His tail's blue. Dad, look, this picture.
It's a skink.
The osprey has a rat in his claw. Oh, what?
Okay, family, let's go. Girls.
Let's go. Let's go. Bye.
Oh, it's so pretty. Here we go. We're headed down to the lake.
Yeah.
Dad, tell Sam that the revenge of the pigs will come upon us. We didn't
No. Yes, why?
I think it's. Oh yeah, I don't know which way to go.
Yeah, it's just the stuff around here.
Dad, come over.
Come on, Sam.
Yeah.
Mom.
Say something.
Hi. We're getting our exercise. Come on, buddy.
A day in our life.
Exploring.
Day in our life exploring. Saw a dragonfly. He almost killed him.
Nah.
We're having family time. Look, they're all behind me.
We made it. Almost. This is so pretty out here. Nice, buddy.
We made it.
We made it. You can sit in the shade, buddy.
Hey, we want Minnow.
No.
Why? Why, Mom?
Our adventure is coming to a close. We walked the whole boardwalk out to Lake Apopka. We sat and we rested and we watched the alligators and the gallinules and the other marsh birds. We saw an armadillo and now we're headed back. was definitely a fun day and a great find. It was only 10 minutes from the RV park.